Okay, let's look at this example of scenario 4. Gone ahead and put in the materials so that we needed so far, but I was also going to, so that's the chart that was given. And then I also want to look at the proportions that are given because they told us that they were distributed in the format that Never Married was 30%. Make sure you put those in as decimals because if it's asking for proportion, that's always a decimal number between 0 and 1. So married was 0.56, widowed 0.03, and divorced is 0.11. So that's the most important thing, that you put them in as proportions. Then you hit stat. We're doing a chi-square goodness of fit test. That's your question. What kind of test are you running? Because we're comparing different groups of things, seeing how well our data fits. The null hypothesis is that it fits. The alternate hypothesis would be that it doesn't fit this given distribution and proportions. So what is the test statistic? So you're going to hit stat, tables. You do not have to worry about, I'll show you in just a second. And then we need to choose our observed counts. That's our number is in C2. Our category name is the marital status. And then down here, you can say that we have our proportions in a column. And they're not equal, they're specific proportions in a column, and I labeled it proportions. So that's it. Hit OK. And here we go. So your test statistic is 5.58 rounded to 2 decimals, and the p-value is 0.134. You mentioned not having, you mentioned something. Oh, you mentioned not putting it into Minitab the level of significance. The only reason you have the level of significance is so that you can compare p to it. Do not have to put it in the computer on a chi-square goodness of fit test.